How to make a pin with multiple pictures on Pinterest. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, you have to update your Pinterest app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Pinterest. And if you see any update available, must update the Pinterest app. And now go ahead and launch the Pinterest app and sign into your Pinterest account. Now to create a new pin, tap on this plus icon at the bottom and select pin. Now select photos and from your gallery select multiple pictures. As you can see, I've selected total 5 pictures. And now tap on next. And all of your pictures will be added as a slideshow. As you can see, my pictures are automatically changing. Now, if you want to change your pictures dimension or size, just tap on size. And here you will be able to select a different size for your photo. You can also add a text to your photo from here. So edit your pin and then tap on next. And you can write a title here. You can write a description and then just tap on create. And as you can see, my pin is publishing. Once uploaded, I'm going to my profile and opening the pin, and as you can see, the pin has been successfully added with multiple pictures. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.